Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the purpose, advantages and disadvantages of the flat belt drive system. Next, we will learn the purpose of the flat belt drive system. Next, this belt drive uses only flat belts and is passed over the driver and driven pulleys. The open and cross belt drives are only possible with flat belts. Next, a flat belt drive is one wherein the width of the belt is larger than the thickness. These are used where power has to be transmitted for large distances between pulleys. The efficiency of flat belt transmission or flat belt drives is approximately 99%. Next, flat belts are used to transmit power from a motor to various machines, such as pumps, generators, and cutting tools. They are often used in machine tools like lathes, printing presses, and textile machinery. Next, we will learn the advantages of the flat belt drive system. The first point is that flat belt drives are simple, cost-effective, flexible, and durable, and the ability to absorb shocks, flexibility and efficiency at high speeds. The second point is that they perform well at high speeds and are economical to operate. The third point is they can withstand high loads and have a long lifespan. The fourth point is that flat belt drives provide smooth operation and require minimal repair and maintenance. The fifth point is that they are suitable for long distance applications. The sixth point is they are very economical when the shafts are separated by large distances. The seventh point is that it protects the driven mechanism against breakage in case of sudden overloads owing to belt slipping. The eighth point is low maintenance and easy service. Next, we will learn the disadvantages of the flat belt drive system. The first point is that slip and creep can be high, leading to a loss of power and efficiency in the belt drive. The second point is that they are not suitable for transmitting large amounts of power. The third point is maintaining the correct velocity ratio can be challenging. The fourth point is that flat belt drives are not ideal for short distances and require a significant amount of space. The fifth point is that the length of the belt can increase due to tension and compression at the tight and slack sides. The sixth point is that after extended use, the belt may fail to function effectively. The seventh point is that the angular velocity ratio is not constant. The eighth point is that they generate heat when operated for long periods. The ninth point is high bearing loads, high belt stresses, and less efficiency. We hope everyone understands the purpose, advantages and disadvantages of the flat belt drive system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.